Alright. I get to finally shut the fuck up, what makes me happy. Bring it to the stage for the very first time. We got John, the sexy ass walker model walking down the stage for you. We're modeling. Ow! All the way from Omaha, Nebraska too. Alright everybody, can we get it back going and let's make some more noise. Are you ready for your next performer? Let me say, fuck it! I thought you guys practiced that word earlier. You still didn't get it? Aw man, we gotta try this one more time. Maybe I'm trying too hard. What you need? You said you're lyrical, man. So he about to put your mind at ease. So I think I might have taught you guys out, but he gonna bring it sexy. You ready for it? John the Walker, baby.
What's going on, people? Hey man, before we even get into any music or any beats, play any music, I want y'all to hear me out real quick, man. I got something special for y'all. I know y'all high as fuck. Unfortunately, I can't get high right now, but shit, I stay high. So, my definition of real is the same way that the book has it. Yet and still people choose to recognize what it is and look past it. If only a look lasted in eternity, then determining would be a bit easier internally, eternally. I see no obstacles determine me, but the unknowns can cause you to get lost and not be able to come home. Life's last nowadays, dumb young and some old. In this game of poker, some plays, but some fold. Not me. I'm looking for a royal flush, and in no rush to gain friends just to spoil trust, cause mortals lust. When at war with the wants of this society, some are too ill just to fake for notoriety. When faced with no variety, it often leads to people doing the same things. I never had to gang bang to claim fame. My main aim is to corrupt your mainframe. I've been working hard like I was stuck on a chain gang. And I stay true to every line. What's the difference between me and you? Another grind. I stay so abnormally unusual with mine. I'm hotter than a crucible at times, shit. I'm just here to crucify these rhymes, you feel me? That's what I'm talking about. Now if y'all pay attention to this, if y'all pay attention to what I'm about to speak to y'all gonna learn some shit, you feel me? Play that music. Bro, you gotta hop up.
Game spittin' entertainment. Entertainment. I'm not a rapper.
Hear me out real quick, y'all. I fuck with y'all.
I'm a game spitter.
All the way from Omaha, Nebraska, here to do my thing. I'm here to speak to y'all. You hear this shit right here? This is the 402. This is where I come from.
Real.
Omaha, Nebraska, baby.
City. Jump jack.
Check me out, y'all. Yeah. You feel me? Exclusive. Inside the middle of the map. Welcome to the 402. There's a chance that you may know me, but I don't know you. Words travel, standing in the world shadow while your fate is being decided by a blind man with a curved gavel. You swinging but can't purge barrel. At least it's thought that is. Ain't nothing free, my nigga, cause it costs to live. Gotta get up, get out, and go get it. Cause long summers turn into cold winters. If you losing, then there's no winners. Straight facts, I've been apex since my pops had us bumping them 8-tracks. Talking way back. The locksmith believe you same crack. But you like Diddy, but you take that. Playing the game with no take backs or no extra life. I've been locked up in the dungeon getting extra nice. Every time I hit the mic, it's like exercise and it's electrified. Oh, too, leave me be cause I don't know you. Let me smoke my trees, I'm just trying to be free and get my money right. Money right, the phone. Oh, too, leave me be cause I don't know you. Let me smoke my trees, I'm just trying to be free and get my money right. Money right.
It's that 402.
It's a place called home
that I hold on to. Many places that I roam make me want to move, but I always come back.
Ain't no substitute, so much to do.
My city is
comfortable. Got love for my city like a Huxtable, man.
That would never change, ain't adjustable.
Money ain't a thing,
I'm a humble soul.
For all I know,
I gotta keep it on my own. Every time I gotta keep complete control.
I
never say broke, you can
say that quote, but my actions speak louder than
be no joke. When they thought I wanted.
Stand up, baby, this is a homo.
Quotes. For my haters, I
stand for show. Thank me later once I put on the O from the foe. O2, leave me be cause I don't know you. Let me smoke my trees, I'm just trying to be free and get my money right. My money right, the foe. O2, leave me be cause I don't know you. Let me smoke my trees, I'm just trying to be free and get my money. Get my money right, you feel me? We got something special for y'all. Keep listening. All you gotta do is just listen. I'll take you somewhere. Everybody's looking for some place to go, but not everybody knows how to get there. You feel me? I'm gonna tell you how to get there. Yeah, John Walker, real name, no gimmicks. Yeah, the time to shine is overdue. At least by my estimation, life's a guessing game until you reach your final destination. Desolation separates time with inspiration. Negative thought caught in the mind, it becomes an infestation. Does the journey end here? Hell no. I demand an explanation why this hope seems lost for future generations. In these days, people think they have to stoop to sophistication. Apply what you can to rid yourself and use this information. Smooth articulation and higher education can improve our situation. Axis should always be the axis of rotation. When the ground gets to shaking, then where do you go? I had these cold thoughts in my skull like it's carrying snow. Turbulent flow, that's 40 below. Words paint vivid pictures, you can call it Van Gogh. Certainly show. One more thing before the curtain may close. Nothing's ever for sure as far as certainty goes, because we steady searching for a destination no one knows. And hopefully we make it to that place before that curtain's closed. Cause we steady searching for a destination no one knows. Real hip hop, you feel me? Okay, check me out. Hey, how do you get to the beginning when you're traveling from the end? Suppose your earthly comprehension will just magically ascend. Now that drastically depends solely upon your capability to defend against the travesties within. I must admit sometimes I hear whispers from the abyss that are twisted up with a list, and they talking to me like this. Fuck life, cause it's a bitch. Why you raising them kids? Your dumb ass is working a gig, there's a million ways to get rich. Hit home your responsibilities and live out the dream. Hit all the holes that you can and then turn into a fiend with a hypodermic and hand injected poisonous stream. OD to be pronounced DOA with the poison to see. Now that's the unconscious battle that ensues with the conscious. I've never been one to be in tune with the nonsense. Too many humans are stagnant, just waiting to grow. Although we running out of time searching for places to go, because we steady searching for a destination no one knows. And hopefully we make it to that place before that curtain's closed, cause we steady searching for a destination no one knows. And hopefully we make it to that place before that curtain's closed, cause feel me? Everybody's looking for somewhere to go. Because we steady searching for a destination no one knows. And hopefully we make it to that place before that curtain's closed, cause yeah. I hope y'all still following with me. Hey Portland, y'all still with me? Omaha, Nebraska, all the way to Portland to come fuck with y'all. Y'all still with me? Alright, bet. Gang spitting entertainment, let's keep it rolling. Hey, you hear this right here? Let's fuck up your mind. This is good shit for you to be high and listen to. You feel me? Put a task in front of me and I will lift it. You have to beat the ebb and the flow of the game cause the tide has shifted. Me and the angels are connected. I feel like I was gifted with inscription. Exited my inner eyelids in the form of hieroglyphics. And my prolific, that's a judgment call. Says they sold to get some dough and turn home with the judging ball. Don't get it twisted, I ain't judging y'all. No man is perfect, take your lessons, then you learn to stand above your walk, which is part of the process. Every day's about progress. I'm a monster on the mic like Jigga mixed with the Loch Ness. Pen and pad to stop stress, feeling bad since Pops left. But he taught me how to walk amongst giants. Overall, I'm blessed. It's complex in this life that we living in. Me and greatness are synonyms. I am one and the same, like a gun in the flames. The dark clouds to make you run to the rain and baptize you again. Nice with the aim, but the bullets is true. If your only weapon was knowledge, would you pull it and shoot? Don't mind my rhetoric. I met a lot of niggas that's Confederate. If you ask me, they the true terrorists that I'm here to destroy like the Terminator. I got too much going on in my life to be concerned with haters. Like when I fell off and then I earned it later. I put my all on the line all the time, nigga. What's your way? You feel me? We gon' keep it rolling, baby. This is a non-stop train. We on the train now, baby. The gravy train. Hey, now this is the one. Y'all need to come and take a trip with me. You feel me? Y'all already high as fuck. I'm trying to get where y'all are without smoking weed. So come take a trip with me, you feel me? This is the one that's gonna make you wig out a little bit. You just gotta follow me. Just follow me. Hey, Portland, y'all still with me? I'm with you. Hopefully y'all can keep up. Come and take a trip with me. I see the world so differently. My eyes are wide open, I know that I'm focused. I think that I was chosen to represent the hopeless. Come and take a trip with me. Y'all tripping yet? See the world so differently. Yeah. My eyes are wide open, I know that I'm focused. I think that I was chosen to represent the hopeless. You know what I mean? Hey, come and take a journey in the mind of a man that's still learning. Can't clock out. You have to shine bright just as long as your candle's still burning. I understand that you hurt, but you be a fool if you settle to damage your purpose. And as long as the earth is spinning, I'm spinning the seconds and minutes, controlling my path and connecting the visions. Speak with the dead in the land of the living. Most that might make me deranged. But fuck all your judgments, cause I'm the one suffering and you couldn't manage my pain. If you lose, you don't fail, but we usually dwell on the movement away from the game. Eluding the aim. You can't